It is said that Dawood, rahmatullah alayhi, used to take crumbs of bread soaked in water, that being the only meal he took every day. On being asked why he did so, he replied, "By drinking this liquid food, instead of chewing and swallowing bread, I can save enough time to recite 50 ayat of the Quran." Once a visitor came to see him and told him that the beam of his room had cracked. He said, "I have not looked up at the ceiling of this room for the last 20 years. Not only did these pious beings avoid indulging in idle talks, but also abstained from idle gazing. Muhammad bin Abdulaziz, rahmatullah alayhi, says that he remained with Sheikh Ahmad ibn Razin, rahmatullah alayhi, from morning till Asr, and saw that the Sheikh never looked this way or that. Someone asked him about it, and he said, "Allah Ta'ala has granted us the gift of eyes in order that we may take a lesson from seeing His majesty and grandeur manifested in all created things. He who cannot do so is not making proper use of his eyes."